Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we're going to go over how to create a proposal, okay, in Studio Designer. So you can see here that I've already set up the items that I'm ready to propose. I've put in our costs, with each vendor and what we are going to charge the client. From there, once you've confirmed that everything looks great and you're ready to propose your client, you're going to select the items. And typically, I will only do one item or group of items per proposal. It just makes for great organizing. But you can do that how you want to. But in this case, I'm going to select both because I want to get into first component. Okay, so now that I've selected these two, I am going to create the proposal, and you'll find that I do like to label them, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's go ahead and create the proposal, and we are going to say bedroom 2. Let's do custom bed bench. Okay, and I would leave it as that because that way it allows us to search this and not have to open the whole proposal when we're looking for things, and I'll show you what I mean. But now you can see this gives you the total price for this bed bench. Okay, doesn't go into other third party receiving and all that stuff. But what I'm looking for here is to show you that you can send the proposal like this. So just to recap, now that you can see that the proposal is created and that it's ready to send, I wanted to show you that under the proposals section, okay, and you'll find that here in the little toolbox under proposals. I've only made 2 proposals, but this is why you label them. If we sent it out from the system, you can see that it would be stamped here that we sent it out, and it also would then become visible. Okay, if there's any questions about what I've said, please let me know in the comments below. If you have questions about first component, I have a video for that.